Oh look, no, oh no, it's not. Anyhow, I want to take this opportunity to tell you all about inside the ambulance doors, how they kind of work. And so if you all have an ambulance and you want to know, oh, that's another critter over there. Anyhow, if you guys have an ambulance, you need to know how it works. They use these, they're called bear claw latches. It took me forever to find out what they are. And the first click, second click. The second click is locked in. First click is kind of partially locked in. And let's see, release it. Yes, it's a regular door latch. Make sure I can see it. It's a little dark out here. I apologize for that. See, now it's not clicking in. Why is it not clicking in? Well, because this is not returning. This is the back of your regular door latch. So all this does is pull this in and it releases it, but I'm having a little sticky problems. I'm thinking I'll try to use brake fluid to try to break it up. Causing me some pain issues back there. But you can kind of see it down there. Kind of see it, but that's this. All it does is release this mechanism that locks this in place. So all you do is lift on that. There, use this here thing. You hear it clicks out, but right now the thing is keeping it. Is this thing's not returning, and it doesn't take much pressure to pull it back. So what I'm going to do is drop a spring in here, see if that fixes it, so I don't have to replace this whole door latch. And then we'll insulate it and throw it back together. I'll play with that and see if I can get the color back out of it. You know, just hit the whole thing with some brake clean and pull a layer off and make it pretty again. I don't know. I'm annoyed with myself. I don't usually like to paint stuff until I'm completely done because of stuff like this. And I got me some more 5/8 hose. I'm going to replace it because this stuff keeps leaking on me. And all the funness there. So, new hose, yay! Let's see. I got some PV blaster and everything else, but I got me some of these throttle springs that I'm going to use. I'm just going to drill a hole in it and call it good. Let's see. Let's push that in. Lock that on there. See kind of where it lines up. It works better now. Look at that. Got a little spring in there. It'll pull it back. So we should be able to just close it now. Have a latch. Open. Kind of opens. No, it doesn't. Top latch not fully disengaging. Let's go on the inside. Feels like the temperature change is coming back. All the way. I think this one needs to be tightened up slightly. No, this is easier. So, if you look right here, this one's lucky. It has an easy release thing. It's a little slippy thing here. Oh, that's getting cold. I'm not using the right pliers for this either. Let's see. There we go. Oh, this has this nice little thing here. I like these. It's all above my head though. That's off. Let's see now. Can we tighten that up? I'm thinking what's happening is this is not pulling enough. Not getting enough distance on it to release this. It will release, it's just not getting enough like pull on it. And maybe drop some lubricant up in there. So let me see. And get some pliers on that and tighten that up a little bit. You see how that thing kind of pulls out there? It's so dark right now. Slides in there. It's really nice. It's starting to rain too. Alright. Let's see about getting that tightened up. We'll see if we can get it going. Good. Alright, let's see if we can get 2 rungs on it. Oh my gosh. But don't pull it, it holds. Oh, that's like 10 times better. We did 2 rungs on the barrel connector up there. Oh yeah, now we put some lube on it. Now I have to figure out something to fix that up because I don't like the way that looks. Maybe I'll go over it with rubbing alcohol. Maybe this left a film on it, hopefully. And then screw up my paint job. And look, it kind of moved. It needs a little bit more on this side. Look, that works so much better. Alright, well, I'm going to throw some foam in there and throw the cover back on it and close this door all up. I got that one. I have this one here, which is the propane one. It's not going to be a priority to have it, but I am going to have propane on board. At least 1 can, maybe 2. There's room for 2 in there. But some outside cooking, and then we have to do this door here. It needs to be insulated, and I want to go through the locks, and then one last door is this door here that needs to be insulated. And that'll be it for our door insulations. And boy, look at that. I'm about to turn that screen where it's always on. It's coming to. I get the final ceiling piece up right here. You see that's going to be, well, let's see. Get a couple holes to fix in here. But it's going to be my air gap where I pull the air from in the summertime. But it gives me another nice little insulation layer too. Plus I'm going to run my wires up there for the ceiling. Inch of foam. It's really helped the heat in here, maintain the heat in here. It's actually got hot in here when it's 17 degrees outside. Right now I'm using this heater here because I got a little leak on my other one, and I still have the back wall to do and the air conditioner put in and finish running that wire back over here done. So yeah, we're getting there. I'm going to go ahead and button that thing up and get it back together, and we'll shove it in the hole and we'll work on the next one. So, see you guys later.